Welcome back, Techbeast TV crew. Get ready for another jaw-dropping journey into the world of extreme machinery. Today we're showcasing raw power, from colossal grinders devouring logs whole to high-tech harvesters dancing on tracks and trucks defying gravity on mountain roads. You won't want to miss this mechanical mayhem. Right out of the gate, folks, we're witnessing raw, untamed power unleashed. Before your very eyes, a mighty yellow Caterpillar excavator, likely a 336 model weighing over 35 tons, a true titan of the earth-moving world, relentlessly feeds the hungry beast, a colossal red Duratec tub grinder, probably a model like the 9564, designed for high-volume waste reduction. Watch in awe as tangled masses of branches and thick, solid logs disappear into its gaping, rotating maw like toothpicks. Listen to that thunderous roar as dozens of hardened steel hammers inside, spinning at incredible speeds, shred, pulverize, and utterly obliterate everything in their path. This isn't just simple land clearing, it's a high-octane, brutal transformation, reducing literal mountains of bulky green waste into fine, valuable mulch in mere heart-stopping seconds. The sheer, unadulterated force is staggering, a mechanical spectacle demonstrating heavy machinery absolutely dominating the untamed landscape. Can anything possibly withstand this relentless onslaught? The ground itself seems to tremble as the grinder devours load after crushing load provided by the tireless cat. Absolutely breathtaking power. From grinding waste to grappling with giants, the challenges only get bigger. Hold your breath, people. The challenge escalates dramatically. Deep within this rugged, uneven terrain, two formidable steel giants confront a fallen colossus. A massive, almost unbelievably thick tree trunk lies before them, a true behemoth resisting their combined efforts like an ancient titan. In the background, the powerful, bright red Hitachi excavator, maybe a ZX210 weighing over 20 tons, begins the initial assault. Its skilled operator locked in a tense battle of leverage and hydraulics. But now joining the fray, the robust yellow Komatsu PC200, another 20-ton class machine known for its reliability, inches closer, perhaps preparing for a carefully coordinated attack or providing stability. Look at the immense strain on the hydraulic arms, the calculated, powerful maneuvers as these incredible machines dig their buckets in, push with all their might, and grapple with this seemingly immovable object. Will the log finally yield to their combined hydraulic might, pushing hundreds of horsepower? Can these steel titans conquer this Herculean task without damaging themselves? The tension is thick enough to cut with a chainsaw. Every movement is critical, a dangerous, slow-motion dance of immense weight and raw hydraulic power against the stubborn, unyielding defiance of nature itself. After dealing with the giants, let's see how precision and speed handle the smaller stuff. Now prepare yourselves for precision power meeting furious speed. The scene shifts to a different area, perhaps a cleanup operation, but the intensity remains sky high. Enter the agile, vibrant orange Kubota KX 057-4 mini excavator. Don't let the mini fool you. This roughly 6-ton machine packs a serious punch, armed here with a versatile grapple attachment that moves with almost surgical accuracy. Paired with it, working in perfect, destructive harmony, is the aptly named Bandit Intimidator 15XP wood chipper. Another bright orange machine boasting a relentless, insatiable appetite for branches, capable of handling material up to 15 inches in diameter thanks to its powerful feed system and chipping drum. Watch the skilled operator deftly maneuver the Kubota's grapple, snatching tangled limbs and awkward branches, then feeding them directly and efficiently into the chipper's hungry, wide in-feed hopper. Instantly, entire branches vanish, violently transformed by the high-speed chipping knives into a high-velocity spray of uniform wood chips, blasting out the discharge chute towards the waiting collection truck. It's a stunning whirlwind of mechanical efficiency, proving how compact yet potent machinery can tackle demanding cleanup jobs with incredible speed and breathtaking force. That Intimidator truly lives up to its fearsome name, making short work of this pile. From processing felled trees to the skilled art of bringing them down safely. All right, folks, hold your breath and watch closely. Deep in the heart of the forest, a highly skilled logger, properly clad in high-visibility gear and essential personal protective equipment, including a sturdy helmet with vital ear protection, stands respectfully before a true forest giant, a massive, thick-trunked tree towering stories above the forest floor. He's wielding the legendary power of a bright orange-style chainsaw, likely a professional model like the MS-462, packing serious displacement and torque. Listen to that iconic engine roar to life, its razor-sharp chain ready to bite deep. Watch the focus, precision, and years of experience manifest as he expertly carves the critical undercut notch, aiming the fall, sawdust flying like golden sparks. Every angle, every calculation, the depth of the cut, it all matters immensely now. The tension builds palpably as he moves to make the crucial back cut, the saw slicing steadily into the dense, resisting wood. You can almost feel the immense weight of the tree begin to shift, the forest itself seeming to hold its breath in anticipation. Will it go exactly as planned? The slightest miscalculation here could spell disaster. He steps back quickly. That heart-stopping, ominous, cracking sound echoes through the trees. Once the giants are down, the heavy lifters move in to clear the way. Get ready for some raw, earth-moving muscle in action. Amidst a newly logged area, surrounded by slender standing trees that were spared, a rugged, battle-scarred Komatsu bulldozer takes center stage. This isn't just any machine. It's a tracked titan, likely an older, but still incredibly capable model like a D61, weighing around 20 tons and built specifically for the toughest forestry and land clearing jobs. Watch it clawing its way confidently through the muddy, debris-strewn terrain. See the operator expertly engage the controls, the powerful wide front blade digging into the earth, confronting tangled roots, discarded branches, and heavy, stubborn tree stumps left behind from the earlier felling operation. Feel the deep rumble and strain of the powerful diesel engine, probably putting out close to 200 horsepower, as it shoves aside massive obstacles with sheer brute force, clearing a path, pushing debris into piles, and leveling the ground for future access or replanting. This is relentless power personified, carving order out of the natural chaos and demonstrating the unstoppable force often needed to tame wild terrain after logging. Can anything truly stand in its path when it gets going? Absolutely incredible strength and utility on display. After clearing comes hauling, and sometimes the journey out is the most dangerous part. Edge of your seats, everyone. We're high up on a treacherous mountain pass where the views are incredible, but the margin for error is absolutely zero. Behold this massive white Volvo logging truck, a specialized heavy hauler, likely an FH16 model, burdened with an unbelievably long, heavy load of prime timber, stretching far, far behind it on its specialized multi-axle trailer. The road twists sharply ahead, a narrow ribbon of asphalt carved precariously into the steep mountainside, demanding utmost concentration and skill from the driver. Observe the incredible skill and palpable nerve required to navigate this perilous hairpin bend. Look closely at the specialized rear dolly trailer, often called a steering trailer. Its wheels are steering independently, controlled hydraulically or electronically, which is absolutely crucial for maneuvering this immense overall length around such a tight, unforgiving curve. One wrong move, one misjudgment of the turning radius, one slip on this potentially loose road surface, and disaster looms large, potentially sending tons of truck and timber plunging down the mountainside. Feel the tension mount as the giant rig inches forward slowly, methodically, the enormous weight shifting precariously with every single degree turned. From the perilous journey out, let's head back to the landing to see sophisticated processing power at work. Prepare yourselves for some serious mechanical mayhem at the log landing. Right before you, a vibrant green John Deere tracked log loader, a powerful forestry machine, likely the 2654 model or similar, absolutely dominates this sprawling logging site. This tracked beast, weighing well over 30 tons, provides incredible stability on rough ground. It's equipped with a fearsome-looking red processing head attachment, transforming it from a simple loader into a whirlwind of efficiency. Watch its relentless, powerful hydraulic arm snatch up long, heavy logs from the pile with astonishing ease and speed. Then, the processing head spins into furious action. Its razor-sharp delimbing knives strip branches in a blur. Feed rollers pull the log through, and then a powerful built-in saw bites through the timber, cutting logs to precise, optimized lengths in mere seconds. It's a truly breathtaking display of combined speed, hydraulic power, and brute force, processing tree after tree amidst a vast sea of felled timber waiting its turn. Once processed in the field, the logs head to the mill for the next transformation. Now let's step inside the noisy, dusty, industrial heart of the sawmill, where raw logs delivered from the forest meet incredible automated processing power. Witness this massive automated bandsaw line, a complex, integrated system designed for high-volume, efficient lumber production. Thick, heavy logs, often debarked beforehand, are loaded onto the sturdy conveyor system. They are then precisely positioned by hydraulic turners, log dogs, and clamps, all under the watchful eye of the skilled operator, stationed safely at the sophisticated control panel, often using joysticks and computer monitors. Hold on tight as the massive, continuous loop bandsaw blade, often several inches wide and incredibly sharp, screams into action, slicing effortlessly and accurately through the dense wood, transforming rugged, round logs into smooth, square cants, or directly into usable planks and boards. The speed and precision achieved by these modern mills are truly mesmerizing. It's an automated, high-speed dance of heavy machinery, conveyors, sensors, and sharp steel, turning forest giants into valuable lumber right before our very eyes. The air hums and vibrates with power, a true symphony of industrial might hard at work, maximizing yield from every single log. Absolutely fascinating to see. But sometimes even getting the logs to the mill requires overcoming nature's obstacles, like mud. Brace yourselves for another epic battle against the elements. Deep in the misty, humid jungle, on a treacherously muddy, rutted track that barely qualifies as a road, a heavily laden red logging truck, perhaps an older but still capable Mack model, finds itself hopelessly bogged down, defeated by the terrain. Its powerful drive wheels spin uselessly, digging deeper into the thick, clinging, peanut butter-like mud. It's going absolutely nowhere. But wait, hope arrives. Here comes the cavalry, a mighty yellow Caterpillar bulldozer, looking like a classic, powerful D7 model, muscles its way onto the scene, its steel tracks finding purchase where the truck's tires failed. A heavy-duty tow cable, thick and strong, connects the two behemoths, the rescuer and the rescue. From pulling trucks out of mud to tearing apart the toughest wood waste, get ready for the ultimate demolition derby, heavy machinery style. High above the muddy ground, perched securely, a powerful orange Doosan 255 LCV excavator, likely weighing around 25 tons and equipped with a formidable heavy-duty grapple attachment, takes command of this waste processing operation. Its target, a massive red industrial shredder positioned below, a stationary mechanical beast with an insatiable appetite for destruction, probably powered by hundreds of horsepower. Watch the excavator's skilled operator expertly maneuver the grapple, grabbing enormous, tangled, muddy tree stumps, complete with extensive root systems and stubborn, dense wood, and dropping them unceremoniously into the shredder's gaping, reinforced steel maw. The shredder doesn't even hesitate. With terrifying force and a deafening roar, its powerful internal mechanisms, likely slow speed, high torque cutting shafts, grab, crush, shear, and utterly obliterate the bulky, tough material into smaller, manageable pieces. Even the largest, most awkward root balls are clearly no match for this incredible display of raw shredding power. It's a violent, yet highly efficient transformation, reducing massive volumes of difficult waste into easily handled fragments, perhaps for biofuel or further processing. Pure, unadulterated mechanical destruction at its finest. From massive industrial operations, let's look at how farm tractors get in on the forestry action. All right, folks, buckle up for some serious, adaptable forest muscle. Deep in the woods, possibly on a smaller private lot or farmstead, we witness a powerful red tractor, possibly a versatile Valtra known for forestry work, coupled intelligently with a rugged log trailer featuring bright yellow support stakes for stability. But the real star of this particular setup is the agile Kronos grapple loader crane, mounted neatly behind the tractor's cab, giving it incredible reach and lifting capability right where it's needed. Watch the intricate dance unfold as its powerful hydraulic grapple, controlled precisely by the operator, expertly snatches bundles of pre-cut logs from the forest floor. Feel the smooth hydraulic power as the crane effortlessly lifts the heavy timber, potentially weighing hundreds of pounds per log, rotates with incredible precision, avoiding obstacles, and then carefully stacks the load onto the waiting trailer bed, maximizing the payload. This isn't just about brute force, it's a clear display of skilled operation and efficient technology, adapted for challenging terrain, maximizing every load before hauling it away. The efficiency is mesmerizing to watch, clearing the forest floor one strategic, careful grab at a time. Absolutely captivating use of adaptable machinery. From loading logs in the woods to stripping them bare at high speed. Now step back into the heart of intense industrial processing power. Prepare to be amazed, maybe even slightly intimidated, by the sheer speed and raw aggression of this green behemoth, identified as the A5 high-speed automatic debarker. Logs, likely already cut to length, are relentlessly fed onto the heavy-duty infeed conveyor, marching like soldiers towards the machine's core processing unit. Hold your breath as they meet the furiously spinning cutter heads inside. In a violent explosion of flying bark and wood fibers, after debarking, the logs often need to be sorted and loaded for their next journey. Get ready for a heavyweight showdown right here at the log landing or mill yard. Check out this absolutely massive yellow Komatsu wheel loader, a true titan of material handling, likely a WA 500 model or larger, weighing potentially over 30 tons, and equipped with a specialized, powerful log grapple attachment that looks like giant steel claws. It positively dwarfs the rugged red logging truck parked patiently beside it. The critical task at hand, lifting immense, heavy tree trunks, easily weighing several tons each, that would simply crush lesser, smaller machines. Observe the operator's expert control and smooth handling as the huge loader maneuvers precisely into position, the giant grapple firmly securing its multi-ton prize with hydraulic force. Feel the immense hydraulic power surge as it effortlessly lifts the colossal log high into the air, swings it smoothly over the waiting trailer's bunks, and then carefully, precisely places it onto the growing stack, ensuring a stable and secure load for transport. This is pure logistical muscle in action, representing the critical link between forest harvesting or initial processing and the transport phase, showcasing the incredible lifting capacity and precision handling required daily in demanding logging and sawmill operations. Truly impressive power and control. Finally, let's witness a machine that combines multiple logging steps into one incredible package. Now witness what might be the pinnacle of modern forestry technology currently in action. Feast your eyes on the incredible Pond C tracked harvester, a marvel of complex engineering painted in the company's signature yellow and black colors. This multi-talented, tracked beast tackles the forest environment with breathtaking efficiency and surprising agility. Its highly advanced harvester head doesn't just fell selected trees with its powerful, fast-cutting chainsaw bar. Watch closely its poetry in motion. It firmly grips the trunk, instantly strips away all the branches with razor-sharp, hydraulically powered delimbing knives, then utilizes feed rollers to pull the log through the head, measuring its length and diameter with sensors, before cutting it into predetermined, optimized lengths, all in one seamless, fluid, incredibly fast motion. Maneuvering effortlessly on its robust tracks across the uneven, often challenging forest floor, this single machine effectively functions as a self-contained logging operation, combining the tasks of felling, delimbing, measuring, and bucking with near robotic precision and speed. And that's a wrap on another incredible display of heavy metal muscle. From shredding and splitting to hauling and high-tech harvesting, the power and ingenuity in the forestry industry never cease to amaze. These machines and the skilled people who operate them tackle some of the toughest jobs on the planet. Thanks for joining us on Techbeast TV. If you were blown away by these machines, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell so you never miss an episode. We'll keep bringing you the biggest, baddest equipment out there. See you next time.